All right, folks, so I think that's done. Just have to go double check. Other exciting things potentially happening there. And inside the bus we go. Maybe it'll be warmer in here. It is warmer in here. Hold on.
It's cold and dark. So I'm trying to figure that door is going to be below this, right?
Well, yeah, it's going to be below here.
Saturday morning. It is a wonderful 2 degrees outside. Wonderful. Cannot wait to get this finished. Well, livable. Then we can go somewhere warmer and finish it. What you got?
You didn't bring the glue in, did you?
No, did you ask me to?
Yeah.
You didn't. Apparently, after 17 years, I still have not learned. I have not learned to read his mind.
How you could forget the glue. A lot easier to do it this way than it is to drag a table saw into here.
Make your own straight edge and run the skill saw.
Yeah. Well, you can buy an actual saw straight edge thing for $100. And for something like this where you can't set up outside, except there's no way you could feed a full sheet through a table saw. You would need double.
True.
You'd need the table saw plus room on both sides.
Triple. Well, yeah, double.
Instead of buying a table saw by yourself, good for this skill saw. I suppose I could sell this level and buy a really nice. This is like a really expensive straight edge. This is what's the blue 12 footer.
Back from the construction years.
But yeah, I haven't used it for.
Sure you will again. I was just saying, it might come in handy in the projects that we might do in the future here.
Yeah. Not what the base is going to look like. I just had to set it on something or to make up.
Yep. A little tall.
We could cut it down and just set it on there.
And it almost would work.
That almost would. No, I guess the aluminum I'm going to make up, or some sort of base for it.
Some sort of a something.
Some sort of a something.
Today we are working on sanding and getting that fun stuff done. I haven't seen the bus yet since they put walls in it. Also, I'm walking into the shed. Doesn't it look so clean and nice, guys? The trailer, this is gonna be Dad's workshop, and we can sand and do stuff out of the snow in here. So yeah, okay, so walking through our interesting setup to the bus, and we're gonna show you our walls, because we have all the walls up, which is incredible. I don't know. I was gonna say incredible in Spanish, but incredible. I can't remember. Okay, so look. Oh, sorry, my gloves. So look at here. Look at this. It's a mess. I'll admit that.
But look at this wonderfulness.
Okay, so yeah, today we are going to be working on sanding and staining some things, especially for the walls. We're going to get some boards stained. I'll show you those in a second. We had those routered the other day, so I think still part of week 7, whichever week this is. So yeah, these are the boards we're going to be that we did. I don't know what I'm saying. These are the boards that we put through the planer. Thanks, Mom. The things we put through the planer, we're going to be sanding them. That's what Mom's setting up now. After we sand them, well, she's trying to set it up. She can't plug in a cord. Honestly, though, that one's hard to plug in.
I'm glad I'm not the only one, because, yeah, it's like...
Yeah, Dad had to, like, muscle it in there.
Dad had to, too? Okay, because I was having trouble with cords, and I'm like, what in the world is wrong with me? Okay, so it's not me.
Yeah, no, it's not you. So, these are all of the boards that we did. They're going to go on the wall, and they're going to look really pretty. I think they're going to look really pretty. So, we'll see. Wait, are you up in your bed?
Yeah, I can sit up without the mattress.
Yeah, but your head's gonna be at the other end.
What? But that end's smaller.
Well, that's where the light's gonna go. The light's gonna go over there.
I'll just read over there. Sleep over here so I don't bump my head.
But you got that cozy pillow.
It's not gonna fit over there.
Yeah, well,
Nuh-uh.
I think it.
Not with a mattress. I don't think I should anymore.
She does.
There's no use. It was a good song.
What, Dad?
Huh? What? The women use tools. She's gonna kill me. She's cute.
I'm going out, and so are you. Goodbye.
Go out.
Our staining station. We have all of our boards for the wall laid out here so we can stain them. We have our big lights plugged in and heaters going. Wow, this lighting makes my camera look dirty. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing for the next hour probably.
I actually don't mind staining that much. Staining and sanding, I don't mind. I like turning something that's like that's rough and old and turning it into something new and nice. So I actually like the process. I don't like waiting for the process because it's cold in here. I want Mom to get out here with the stain so we can get started. However, I don't mind it, and it is cold out here. So that's that. Process begins. Staining. Actually, the fun stuff. Alright, and this will be probably a wrap of the night of building. We just got everything sanded. Not sanded, but we did get stuff sanded today. We just got everything stained, so it looks really good. We're excited about it. Yeah, we're just gonna go inside, get stuff cleaned up, eat supper, and then get ready to do more stuff tomorrow. And welcome to Tuesday. Honestly, I don't even know what day of the week that translates into. I think it's the 4th day of week 7. I don't even know anymore. Okay, so last night we stained these. Feeling good. They're looking good. I can't wait for them to get applied. Today, I actually don't know if we're doing any finishing. I think we're doing some tung oil on them. Not sure. But today we're going to be taking the door and we're going to be polying it so we can stick the mirror in there. And Dad can put it in right away. That's why we have a little groove so we can stick a mirror in there. So polying it should be fun. I've never polyed before, but it shouldn't be too hard, right? Will I do that? There's only one brush, so it's only me out here today. I'll probably put on a podcast or something to listen to. I don't know. We'll see. And today is the last day of week 8. Man, I sounded so much like a TV reporter. And breaking news, today is the last day of week 8. Today, the Nichols family can be found in the bus putting on new walls. That's right, folks, putting in new walls. It's made for the job, you know? Okay, so these planks should be completely done and ready to go as our bus walls. So cool. It'll look awesome. It'll look awesome, like seriously. I cannot wait. I need to, I think, find some sort of insulation to put behind it. So we're technically not done with insulation, though we will be by the end of today. So, exciting news. It's a moment of truth at the store. We still need a handle. Look at that. We have a sliding door. And that's really cool. What we can do with Band-Aid and super glue. Or something. It's some sort of glue. What is it?
And that's what we can do with
Oh, sorry.
yeah, but we're not really super glue.
Reflectix and super glue.
Yeah, not that good. Sorry, guys. I need the towel.
Lisa, I found you.
And we have a dilemma. Ugh! It's with our boards. Yeah, they look really pretty. They look great. And they're gonna look great. But we don't have enough of them. So we were planning on having the boards come all the way out behind the piano. This is where the piano is gonna be. All the way behind the piano. Down the hallway and all the way to the mom and dad's room. Well, we obviously didn't have enough to cover the piano and it stops right here. So somehow we got the wrong number, and I have no idea how. They look great. We still have to put them on, but they'll look great, but we don't have the... Oh, my word. We don't know how we're going to do it. We'll probably cut it off here because we don't necessarily need it under the piano, and we'll probably have to cut it off by the master bedroom. But that's super sad because we're hoping on having it all the way down. Oh, well. Mistakes happen. We may have to go hunting for more and finish more. I don't know. We'll see. We have our wood siding up. It looks weird right now. That's because we just glued it and we're bracing it. This is not probably the correct way to do it, but it's the way we've decided to do it and the way it is probably gonna work. So we just glued it to the insulation, and then once the top trim goes up and the bottom trim goes up, it'll hold it really well. It's glued and it's setting right now. That's why you see all the braces. But hopefully that turns out okay. We'll see.
Like and subscribe.
For what? Why do they want to like and subscribe? Just to get more of his face. Just get more of Garrett's. That's just creepy.
See how far I can get to the season finals.
Alright, so apparently like and subscribe just for this guy, because he's the whole show. Alright, and with that, say bye. Say bye.
Bye.